Welcome to my channel. Today we are looking at a vehicle that truly changes the idea of what a van can be. Most people think of a van as something simple and practical, but this incredible GMC luxury van takes things to a completely different level. This vehicle feels less like a normal van and more like a moving VIP lounge designed for comfort, luxury, and style. From the stunning exterior to the breathtaking interior, everything about this vehicle is built to impress. If you enjoy luxury vehicles and unique automotive designs, then this van will definitely capture your attention. Let's start with the exterior design because the first impression of this van is absolutely powerful. The moment you see it, you immediately notice its long and bold body structure. This is not a standard van size. It is extended and customized to create more interior space, and that makes the vehicle look extremely unique on the road. The glossy red body color gives it a rich and premium appearance that instantly stands out in any environment. When sunlight hits the paint, the body shines beautifully, making the van look even more luxurious. Another detail that makes this van special is the purple neon lighting installed underneath the vehicle. At night, these lights create a dramatic glow that makes the van look futuristic and stylish. When it moves on the road, the neon lights reflect on the ground, giving the van an almost cinematic presence. The large chrome wheels also add to the luxury feel. Their polished design perfectly matches the body of the van and gives it a sporty yet elegant personality. At the front, the bold grille design proudly carries the GMC styling language. The chrome accents around the grille make the front look powerful and sophisticated. Modern LED headlights complete the front design, providing both excellent visibility and a sharp futuristic appearance. On the roof, you can see ventilation systems and roof features that not only add to the design, but also improve airflow and comfort inside the vehicle. Now let's move to the most exciting part of this van, the interior. As soon as you open the door and step inside, the experience completely changes. Instead of feeling like a typical vehicle cabin, it feels more like entering a luxury lounge or even a private jet. The entire interior is covered in premium brown leather that looks rich and elegant. The seats feature beautiful diamond stitching that adds texture and craftsmanship to the design. Every surface feels soft, high quality, and carefully designed. The rear cabin is where the real luxury experience begins. The van features a spacious L-shaped sofa that allows multiple passengers to sit comfortably. This seating arrangement creates a relaxed social environment where passengers can talk, relax, or enjoy the journey together. The leather sofa is not only visually impressive, but also extremely comfortable, making long trips feel relaxing instead of tiring. In the center of the seating area, there is a stylish wooden table. This table adds both function and luxury to the interior. Passengers can use it for meals, drinks, business meetings, or even working on a laptop while traveling. This design transforms the van from simple transportation into a mobile office or entertainment lounge. Mounted on the wall in front of the seating area is a large LCD entertainment screen. This screen allows passengers to watch movies, play media, or connect devices for entertainment during the trip. Combined with a high-end premium sound system, the experience feels similar to a private cinema. Whether you are watching a movie, listening to music, or giving a presentation, the technology inside this van supports it perfectly. One of the most breathtaking elements of the interior is the starlight ceiling. The roof is filled with hundreds of tiny LED lights designed to mimic the appearance of a starry night sky. When the cabin lights are dimmed, the ceiling lights glow beautifully, creating a peaceful and magical atmosphere. This feature is often seen in ultra-luxury vehicles, but in this van it spreads across the entire ceiling, making the interior feel even more exclusive and relaxing. Now moving to the driver's area, the luxury continues even in the front cabin. The dashboard is designed with premium materials and smooth lines that create a modern and elegant look. Brown leather covers the dashboard and door panels, maintaining the same luxurious theme throughout the vehicle. In front of the driver is a fully digital instrument cluster that displays all important driving information clearly. Speed, navigation details, and vehicle data are presented in a modern digital format that looks both advanced and easy to read. In the center of the dashboard, there is a large touchscreen infotainment system that controls many of the vehicle's features. Through this system, the driver can access navigation, music, vehicle settings, climate control, and connectivity options. The multifunction steering wheel allows the driver to control many settings without removing hands from the wheel. Ambient lighting around the dashboard and center console adds a soft glow that enhances the overall atmosphere, especially during night drives. There is also a smart control dial and premium audio integration that make the driving experience more intuitive and enjoyable. Comfort is clearly a priority in this van. The cabin is extremely spacious, allowing passengers to stretch out and relax. The seats are designed to provide ergonomic support, which means passengers can travel for long hours without feeling uncomfortable. Advanced climate control keeps the interior temperature perfect regardless of the weather outside. Privacy windows also add to the VIP feeling inside the van. These windows reduce outside visibility, allowing passengers to enjoy a peaceful and private journey. This feature is especially useful for business travelers or VIP passengers who value privacy while traveling. When it comes to the driving experience, this GMC luxury van performs surprisingly well despite its large size. The powerful engine provides smooth acceleration, while the advanced suspension system absorbs bumps and rough road surfaces. This ensures that passengers inside experience a calm and comfortable ride. Even at highway speeds, the van remains stable and quiet. Road noise is minimal, and the cabin stays peaceful, allowing passengers to relax, watch entertainment, or have conversations without distraction. The combination of power, suspension comfort, and interior insulation makes this van ideal for long-distance travel. Overall, this GMC luxury van is a perfect example of how transportation can be transformed into a full luxury experience. Its bold exterior design attracts attention wherever it goes, while the interior provides a level of comfort and technology that feels closer to a private lounge than a traditional vehicle. Every detail, from the leather seats and wooden table to the starlight ceiling and entertainment system, is designed to create a premium travel environment. This van is not just about getting from one place to another. It is about enjoying the journey itself. Whether used for VIP travel, business trips, luxury road tour, or private transportation, it delivers a truly unique and unforgettable experience. Thanks for watching this video. Follow me for more amazing and interesting videos. See you in the next video.